After constructing different confidence intervals for different population parameters, now we are going to see that a practical example, and that is actually the question from the Hogg, McKean and Craig's book. That is the question number 4.2.12. So let's see how we can use practically when we have a sample data. So let y be the binomial distribution with n is 300 and the probability of success is represented by p. If the observed values of y is 75, एक्चुअली ऑब्जर्व वैल्यू का मतलब क्या है कि जो नंबर ऑफ सक्सेसेस है हमारे पास दैट इज 75, देन फाइंड द अप्रोक्सीमेटली 90% कॉन्फिडेंस इंटरवल फॉर द पॉपुलेशन proportion. So how we proceed for this one? Here actually we are going to find the 90% confidence interval. So one can easily find out that alpha is actually 0.10 and we can easily find the value of the z by using the normal distribution. So here z alpha by 2 एक्चुअली z.05 और ये जब हम नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन के टेबल से इसकी वैल्यू देखेंगे तो दैट विल बी 1.645 एंड इट इज आल्सो गिवन दैट x इज 75 जो हमारे पास ऑब्जर्व्ड वैल्यू है. सो वन कैन इजीली फाइंड द p हैट आपको पता है दैट इज द x ओवर n. सो हेयर वी हैव 75 डिवाइड बाय 300, वी हैव n इज 300, दैट इज आल्सो गिवन in the question. So that is actually 1 over 4. Now we know that the confidence interval for the population proportion is that we just proved in the previous slide, that is probability p hat minus z alpha by 2 into pq over n under root less than or equal to p less than or equal to p hat plus z alpha by 2 into under root pq over n, and that is actually 1 minus alpha. So we just put the values and solve it. We will find the confidence interval, that is probability. So p hat just we find that is 1 by 4 minus the value of z alpha, that is 1.645, and here that is p is 1 by 4 into q, that is 1 minus p, and that is actually 3 by 4. So divide by 300 less than or equal to p less than or equal to, again substituting the desired values, that is 1.645 into under root 1 by 3 1 by 4 into 3 by 4 divide by 300, and that is actually equal to 1 minus 0.10. So basically that is actually 0.90, which we are actually interested to find the confidence interval. So after simplification these results, we find the confidence limits, that is 0.209 less than or equal to p less than or equal to 0.291, and that is actually 0.90. So we have 0.209 and 0.291 are the values of the confidence interval, 90% confidence interval for the population proportion.